Hello Wednesday with Erika and Jeffrey.
Hello Canada, hello Toronto School of Management. Here we're again for a new series of Hello Wednesday with
Erika
and Jeffrey.
Hello Jeffrey, how have you been doing?
Well, I'm good. I'm currently in class, so we have a new module. It's called Personal and Professional Development. Well, it's a very interesting module because you have the opportunity to learn about yourself, your strengths and weaknesses. How about you?
I am okay. I am also in class today and my module is Food Safety and Sanitation.
Oh, food. I love
Yeah, me too. Now that I'm learning a lot about food, it makes me very cautious with the food I eat and how to handle them. So Jeffrey, we have our new series,
Yes,
right?
second series.
So what can the viewers expect?
So they can expect the Hello Wednesday will be a better, bigger, more informative, and more engaging to different students and faculties here in TSoM.
To everyone.
Yes, in particular.
But for today's episode, we are going to feature or we're going to promote the career fair that we are going to hold on March 31st. Yeah. So that our TSoM students will meet our TSoM co-partners.
Yeah, especially us graduating students. We're on second year and eventually having our co-op placement very soon.
Yes, it will really help me to find and land on my dream job, you know? Therefore, let us hear what our career service manager and co-op students have to say. Let's go! Hi guys, so I am with Irene. Hello Irene.
Hi guys, so my name is Erika and I'm Career Services Manager with Toronto School of Management, and we are bringing to you our own career fair, which will take place on March 31st between hours 1 to 4, and we bring you lots and lots of employers who will present you with the opportunities, and you will have time to talk to them, discover more about their companies and the positions that they have open, and you'll be able to have interview on the spot.
Okay, so who are we targeting? Like the attendees that we are targeting?
Well, we are targeting our students. We bring employers from every industry.
Yeah.
We bring employers for students from hospitality program, for a business program, for digital marketing program, cybersecurity and data analytics. We cover all the programs that we have here.
Okay, so you just told them a while ago what's in it for the students. Now, what's in it for the co-op partners?
Well, for co-op partners is opportunity to grow themselves, to mentor our students, develop them to be future employees.
And also, we can gain Canadian experience, working experience, right?
Yes, so basically it is a very good opportunity for our students because you cannot get a very good job in Canada because it's your first job, and it's hard to get it without a Canadian experience, and then you cannot get an experience because you don't have a Canadian job. So co-op is a perfect opportunity to get that first Canadian experience. We are preparing our students to succeed in that job fair. So we have several workshops planned, and we also have always our door is open for questions in regards to the resume and interview preparation and in general career fair preparation, anything related to job search, and we are happy to see the students and get them ready.
Yeah, so the career services is very willing to help the students to land on their dream job and do their co-op, right?
Yes.
So you just heard it from Irene, the career services manager. Thank you very much. That is.
Hi guys, I'm here with Monica. Hi Monica, could you introduce yourself to our viewers?
My name is Monica, I'm from Brazil. I just finished my class for business administration and I'm completely ready to start my co-op.
Oh, so you're in co-op right now?
Yes.
Okay. So could you tell us about something about the resume workshop? Have you attended the resume workshop yesterday?
Yes, it was really good. It's really helpful because we are sometimes a little bit confused. I don't know how to attain the expectations for Canadian market, and it was really helpful. So I encourage everyone to participate next time, especially if you never had any professional experience before. Sometimes you don't know how. Okay, my resume will be empty. What I can do? They will help us.
So are you excited about the upcoming career fair? Because this is the first time.
The first one, yes.
Yeah,
I
the
heard
first
that.
one.
Yes. No, I'm really excited because this is my first job fair ever. I never attended.
Me too, I never
Oh
attended
really?
a job
Yeah.
fair.
So I'm feeling like, oh okay. I don't know exactly. I have an idea what to expect, but I'm feeling like okay, I need to prepare because it's gonna be really good.
Okay guys, we're here from Monica who's having an internship already but really excited to have a career fair here in TSoM this coming March 31. I'm really excited too.
Great.
So hope you guys on March 31.
See you. Bye.
Bye!
Hello everyone, I am with my co-student Daniel.
Hi, hello. I'm Daniel Diaz. I'm from Colombia and I'm a student in a diploma of business administration.
Okay, so Daniel, have you heard about the career fair, TSoM Career Fair that will be held on March 31st?
Yes, of course. We got some emails, so I think it's very important this job fair because I'm gonna start my co-op soon, so I need to find like a proper co-op.
What are the preparations that you're doing?
Well, I was just taking the workshops for the resume and get some advice on how to write my cover letter.
The resume writing workshop is very helpful for students like us because I know how to do a resume based on the Philippine standard way, and for you too, right?
Yeah, of course. I know how to write my resume, but based on Colombian standards. But here is quite different. We don't use cover letters, but here it's very important.
Exactly. Okay. So, what are the preparations that you're doing?
Well, I was getting some advices about how to write my resume, which are the main skills that I should write, how to start my cover letter, and actually as well for my interview. So this is like very important for my co-op. Basically, the most important is get some information about the company and express what is your main motivation to get that co-op, that position. So that's the main idea. Besides that you have to show your like main skills.
Yeah. So, thank you very much, Daniel.
Hi guys, I'm here with Vinny. Hi Vinny.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, introduce yourself please.
I'm Vinny from Brazil. I'm 20 years old and I'm doing co-op business administration.
Yeah, I like your outfit, huh? It seems like,
Very
did you go to
professional.
an interview already?
I mean, I was born. I'm kidding. Yeah, like just for here.
Just for here, or just for the interview?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course, of course.
Could you tell us something about the workshop?
Sure, it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot. They introduced to me like a whole new cover letter, how to do, how
especially
to.
the cover letter. It's really
Yeah.
important here in Canada.
In Canada, it's very important, and if you don't go to this kind of stuff, you don't know that, right?
Okay.
You make connections, like networking. It was very good.
So are you ready for the career fair on March 31? Do you have any preparation that you could share to our viewers?
Yeah, sure. After the fair yesterday, I think I feel more prepared after talking to Irene, the manager here at TSoM. She helps you a lot. Like she gives you best tips that you can get, I think. In career fairs, if you go specifically to a company, you need to know what the company wants. And you
That's
need
number
to,
one, I think.
exactly. You need to know what you're offering to the company. You need to know what you bring to the table. Like I can do this, I can do that. I'm good for your company. Like what you wear is important too.
Yeah, that one is really, I think this one
Yeah.
is really ideal.
I think it's a good example, right?
Yeah,
Like
true.
go dress up comfortably.
When I saw you, you're hired.
Just for my clothes, you see?
Hello guys, we are back. So that's it. We just heard it from the career service manager, and that's a lot of vital information to process.
And we also got to know a lot of students inside, and I'm sure they're really, really excited about what's happening on March 31.
Yes, and you know what? Yesterday we just had our resume writing workshop.
Yeah,
So-
that's gonna be helpful for the March 31 activity because it's the career fair.
Yep.
And of course, in the upcoming March 17, we'll have our communication with success workshop.
So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the pilot episode of Hello Wednesday with Erika and Jeffrey. Bye!
Bye! See you!
Hello Wednesday with Erika and Jeffrey.